Tasol, tupla marit mas suppose can come up, all must stop one spirit too. Olusait no marit, all must stop one spirit. Tupla marit must stop one pla. Tupla marit stop one pla body. Suppose one pla got belief na suppose nar planogat. You tupla stop one pla body, emo right. Tasol you plano one spirit. Number 1 Corinth chapter 6 na verse 17. Tasol emusat ipas one time long big pela one pela spirit. Suppose one pla man you poro man one tem Christ. You must stop one spirit block Christ. Osem na all get a member blosyos must stop one spirit block Christ. Emosem wanem. You may can read him Ephesians chapter 5. You may by read him osem lo verse 30. Long wanem you may stop all hap bilong body bilong em, bilong meat bilong em, na bilong olbun bilong em. Long dispelaas man by lusim papa na mama bilong em, na em by pass one time Mary bilong em, na two pela by stop one pela body. This pela emi one pela big pela something height. Tasol mi tok long sight bilong Christ na Sios. Ikat something height lo verse lo Genesis lo 2:24. Man by lusim papa na mama blongem na em by pass one time Mary blongem na tupla by stop one pla body. Paul talk this pla one pla big pla something height. Tasol mi tok lo sight block Christ na Sios. Sios na Christ all stop inapim inap through blong 2:24 blo Genesis. Osem man by lusim papa mama blongem Christ em displaman. Man by lusim papa mama pas one tem Mary blongem. Tupla by stop one pla body. Em true. Big pla Jesus Christ ikam lo heaven em bin lusim papa em bin kam lo disla ground. Na time em bin stop lo disla ground Maria bin karimem time em autim talk em bin lusim tu mama blongem lo disla ground Maria. Em bilusim papa blongem long heaven, em bilusim mama blongem lo house blongol, em binautim tok, em bin stop one tem Sios. Osem na inapim inap true blong tok lo Genesis 2:24. Man by lusim papa mama blongem Christ em displaman. Em by pass one tem Mary blongem, Mary em Sios. Tupla by kamap one pla body. Osem na Sios na Christ all stop one pla body na one spirit one tem. Because em tok lo verse you may read him lo number 1 Corinth 6:17. Emusait poro man one tem big pla stop one spirit blongem. Osem na ino one pla body tasol one spirit to one tem. Suppose you by kisim tok liya lo something height lo Bible. Now, you may can put him lo marit lo body sight. Suppose you think marit lo body sight. You tupla by kamap one pla body. You plagat one pla like. You like him true. Suppose you like hagim em larim you hagim em. Suppose you like gim kiss long em gim kiss lo you too. You tupla one bell lo body. Lo like lo body. Tasol tupla marit mas suppose em can come up, all must stop one spirit too. Olusait no marit, all must stop one spirit. Philippi 1:27. Tasol larim pasin bilong you pela, stop osem emi good pela, long good news bilong Christ. Long suppose mi come na lukim you pela, o suppose nogat na mino stop one time you pela, mi can harim long all something bilong you pela. Long you pela isan up strong, long one pela spirit. One time one pela ting, time you pela ipait strong one time. Bilong strong and believe true, bilong good news. School talk blo good news lo all get a Christian. All marit, all sight no marit, all friend, ego, all brata susa. All must got one pla tewel. strong long one plus spirit. Time all strong long belief long good news. Suppose emosite inomano Mary Blue, you plamastap one spirit, you plamastap one plalo belief lo good news. Muyet nice plus suppose you two plamarit osem, you plus tap one pla body, you plus tap one spirit too.